Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel Banknifty only. So I'm very sorry that I'm not able to post videos continuously, but I will try my best to post my analysis as and when possible. So let's start today with the learning because this post is for 27th January and I have shown that market has or Bank Nifty has done a V-shaped recovery. So what happens after V-shaped recovery? We see a downfall and market can rally upwards. So this is what. So these are the scenarios that I'm telling in my videos now and then whenever I get to know or remember. Just make a note of these scenarios, try to understand and see uh, when and where these scenarios are formed, you would be definitely able to get this benefit of this. Make a note of this. What happens when a gap down? What happens when there is gap up opening? Okay, so let us see how market behaved the other day. So we can see the correction was to a great extent. We saw a downfall. Okay, and just look at the support zone which I had marked. First 15 minutes candle taking exact support at this particular level, bounce back, second downfall taking support, again bounce back. Okay, then already this support level was tested twice, so third time it broke, and as we had immediate support at 37,000, market took a bounce back and we saw a good rally from there. Okay, so this was the thing I just wanted to cover from learning point of view. Second thing, if you observe at this particular place, let me show you in this 15 minutes time frame. Okay, so we can see market forming a double top at this level 38,500 levels. Okay, you can see market forming a kind of a double top and we saw a reversal from this particular point. So just try to see how market is forming the structure, at what levels the double top is formed, at what levels the double bottom is formed, so that it would be much easier for you to understand. So let us see what do we have for tomorrow. So levels are marked, you can see in the green somewhere. For the resistance level I haven't mentioned the labels, but you can make out from this particular mm, labels over here as well. So at the bottom we can see 36,500 is a strong support, stronger support 37,000, and a good or strong support at 37,500. At the top we can see this is a no trade zone between 37,800 to 37,140 or 50 levels. Why I have taken, if you zoom this, you can see market taking resistance at this particular point first, second, third, and it came down. So this is the resistance level at the bottom. Let me show you why I have marked. You can see this level where market came down first, second, taking support. Okay, over here, third. So, and this is whenever you see in between 38,800 and 200 are the levels that act as a support and resistance between the bigger levels. Okay, so this could act as support level 37,800. Next thing to consider is just look at the trend lines that I have drawn. Market faced a resistance at this particular point on a horizontal line first, second. Okay, and if we draw a trend line, a resistant trend line from this particular point, let me mark with the red so that it would be much clearer, and let me mark this with green. Okay, so we can see market taking support at support of this trend line more than thrice. Okay, so we may even see a breakdown of this or a breakout of upper resistance. Anything can happen. So basically we can see a kind of a ascending triangle pattern forming, a small ascending triangle pattern forming. So it may break either way. So what would be the target for the safer side? If it break out just on the safer side, 38,350 would be the first If this level is broken, then we can see a bigger target of 38,008, 3540 levels under this resistance level. At the bottom, if it breaks down, okay, or breakdowns, then this would be the first target, 37,500. So let us see how to take the trade based on market opening. If there is a gap of opening above this level, 37,150, take it as a round figure 150, then wait for this resistance line to be broken or retested, and when it shows a second time buying, then you enter into the trade. If market opens flat, do not enter into the trade unless it shows uh, any particular direction, that is it taking support from support level or taking resistance from resistance level, you can enter into the trade. But if it opens flat in this particular level, do not enter into the trade. Second thing, if it opens gap down below this 37,800, then we can see market coming down to this particular level. It may bounce back, but more of it may go sideways if there is a gap down opening, and if there is a gap up opening, then we can see upward sideways, we can call it as upward sideways, kind of similar, a slow movement maybe. So this is what I do see from uh, today's chart. One more thing, the budget, this is the budget week. Okay, first, second, the third or fourth we have the budget, I just don't recall exactly. So do not carry forward positions at all, if at all, for this week. If you want to trade or if you want to carry forward, take the positions for the next week. Okay, next week, that is 10th. Second thing, if you look at the Dow Jones is up by 33 points. So it is still acting as, or it is still facing the resistance of this particular level. Okay, so Dow Jones is looking positive. We may see a positive sideways tomorrow uh, for the Bank Nifty is what I think. And one more thing, what I wanted to show is most important, how freaky things are going on. Just look at this candle, a 15-minute candle on 24th of January. Just look at this thing. Market opened at this particular point. Market opened at this particular point, 37599. It went up to 39, a 2000 point movement. Just look at this, how freaky trades are being placed. So even if you carry forward a position for overnight, you may see a huge losses. Okay, so do not carry forward a naked call put options without a stop loss at least. And for safety purpose, trade for the next week's expiry. I hope you like the analysis, and do share it with your friends. Share your knowledge with everyone, whatever you have, in all possible ways, and subscribe to my channel to get the daily analysis. Thank you.